Welcome to Chem is Try. So today we are going to learn about Micelles. Okay. So before learning what is Micelles, we have to know where the Micelles is present. Micelles is present in our day-to-day life. That is, it's present in our soap. So let's see how the micelle formation takes place when we use soap. We know when we use a soap, it cleanses our clothes, isn't it? So how does that formation takes place? How does our dress become so tidy? We are going to learn. So let's see the scientific reason behind the micelle formation. So if we take a soap, for example, we'll take the soap as pears. Okay, so I'll draw it a bit down here. Pears. You can see it, no? Okay. What happens? It has two ends. It has two ends. One is the hydrophobic. One is the hydrophobic end. What do you mean by hydrophobic? Hydrophobic. Hydra. What does hydro refers to? Hydro refers to water. What is phobic? Phobia. Fear. So this end is afraid. It has fear of water. So one end, it would be afraid of water, and the other end is known as hydrophilic. Other end is known as hydrophilic. What do you mean by hydrophilic? Again, the term hydro means water and philic means loving. So it likes water. Wherever water is there, it will jump towards water. Okay, so we'll mark this side as hydrophilic. Okay, it loves water, no? So we'll put the love symbol itself. So this is how the imagination should be there when we think about micelles. It has two ends. One is the loving end and other one is the fearing end. This is the hydrophilic end and this is the hydrophobic end. And we have learned two terms, that is hydrophilic and hydrophobic, isn't it? Okay. If we draw a soap molecule, see, I'm going to draw a soap molecule. We don't see in this way, no? We just see as how I drew before, like pears. But if we take a small portion of it, just see the head portion. We tell, right, love at first sight. What happens? How does it takes place? It takes place in our eyes. When we see the person, we feel love at first sight. So where does eyes present? Eyes is present in the head. Okay, we learned one term, that is hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means what? Water loving. So the water loving will be present on the head. Okay, so we can write here hydrophilic. Okay, hydrophilic. Sorry, it has only one. Okay, hydrophilic end. The head portion of the soap molecule is hydrophilic end, whereas the other portion is hydrophobic end. Hydrophobic end. So what happens is, sorry, okay, here, which is water loving? Yeah, head region. This will love water. So where water is there, their hydrophilic region of the soap will be there. Where water is not there, or where dirt is there, their hydrophobic region would be present. Okay, now consider you went to play with your friends and your cloth has become very dirty. Okay, you are not going to ask your mom to wash your clothes, you are going to wash yourself. You have taken your shirt and here is the dirt. Okay, we'll make it more dirty. Okay, okay, now which soap you want to use? For example, we are using exo soap. Okay, it's mainly used for washing clothes, isn't it? So what happens when we use exo soap is that it will align, the soap will align in a particular direction. Now tell me which is hydrophobic and which is hydrophilic part of the soap molecule. Yeah, head is loving, very good. This is, sorry you can't see again. Okay, I'll write here. This is hydrophilic and hydrophilic end, that is loving end, and this is hydrophobic end. Hydrophobic means it's fear of water, so it's staying near the dirt, whereas with the head region which loves water will be present in the water surface. Okay, and this formation is known as micelle. This is how the clothes gets more clean. What happens? This tail, no, it will slowly remove the dirt particle and it will take out, and there is no dirt in your t-shirt or shirt. Okay, and your shirt is very clean, your mother is not going to scold you. And this is how the micelle concept is used in soap. So thank you very much.